Hello guys, welcome to this video right here whereby I'm going to show you live as I day trade the Etoro stock market. I trade the stock market through Etoro, guys, and I love stock trading since it gives me a lot of opportunity to scale and also to find out all the latest growth stocks which I choose right here. I will share with you my portfolio. As you can see, this is my portfolio right here, and I've invested in a lot of stocks: Amazon, BTC, Royal Mail, Snow, DraftKings, Fiverr, FB, IBM, Kruger, PayPal, Tilray, Neo, Microsoft, Khan, and many more, guys. And each and every time I get profits on these stocks, I usually close these stocks. This is .net here, which is a Cloudflare company which provides security services online for websites, and I've invested in that stock. I've invested on Netflix too right here, as you can see. This is Facebook, which I've invested on too, guys. And this is DraftKings. Of late, it has been giving me good profits of late. Since I've been locking in a lot of profits from DraftKings. This is IBM here. It's produces computer components, and as you can see, I have BTC right here, I have Fiverr, I have DraftKings, I have Snow, I have FB, IBM, and many more. And all this, as you can see, of recently the market has been very down, and this is why you see there are very many losses right here on these stocks. This is because the market has been a bit down and many stocks have been going down. But stock market trading requires one to be very patient. Once you place your money here, you require to be very patient. Like you see this IBM, I took it when it's here down, and you see it's rising. So I have to be patient and allow it time to get back to where it was, so that it can give me back my money and profits. If you panic while you are trading the stock market, you will lose your money. You should never panic, never ever panic, because if you panic and you will close these stocks at a loss, and that is how you will lose your money. So rule number one while trading the stock market: never panic. Never panic, since panic mode has made a lot of investors lose their money this way. But for me, I even hold my stocks for a very long time. As long as I know after some time they'll give me back my money and give me profit, I prefer to hold them for a very long time, like Warren Buffett does. I like his investing strategy, since he always holds his stock for very long time, and even in a month, and after that he's a billionaire. As you know Warren Buffett, all of you. This is because he has practiced a lot of patience by trading the stock market. Since most of the traders who try to beat the market, they lose money. So on Etoro, I determine the stocks which have gone down by here at big movers, and if I see at big mover a stock which has gone down with a large percentage, that is the stock I will buy, since it has gone down, meaning that it is down. And if I take it while it is down, and I also check the potential it has, and how it has been performing in recent years, and this is how I determine if a stock is good or not. And when I take it while it is down, and then later on I will sell it when it is high. So the what you have to do is to do a little bit of research, since research is very important if you are a stock market trader, since you need to keep checking each and every day on a daily basis. Check these charts so that you see exactly what you can invest. Don't invest when a stock is too high. Don't enter a position when it's too high. Always aim to enter positions when the market is red. Like Warren Buffett once said, invest when the street is red, or there is blood in the street. This means when you see that the people are panicking and selling off their stock, that is the good time to buy, since you'll buy at cheap prices, and it will be an extra advantage to you. So guys, this is what I usually do in order to achieve such good performance in my portfolio. And over the time I've been doing this, I've been growing my portfolio at a very, very high rate, and I'm patient with it, since there's a target I want to achieve, and I will keep on pushing this till I reach my target. But as I have told you, for me, investing in the stock market is both fun and is for long time. As you can see, DraftKings there. I'm just about to close it. I'll keep monitoring it and see. So for me, stock market investing is fun, and I want to emphasize that if you are right there, here I'm buying this. If you're right there and you want to start investing into the stock market, this is the time. But make sure to invest only what you can afford to risk. Here I'm placing that, and DraftKings is still giving me profit right here. I'm going to soon close these trades. They are already profitable, and I'm going to close them before they go down again. So first of all, I want to make an order of BNP Paris, and before that, let me check if it's a good time to close DraftKings, since as you can see right here, the chart is quite up, and this seems like a good time to close those, since I just prefer I lock in my profits immediately they reach like $2 there. I make sure that I lock those profits, since the market is soon gonna go down again, and I buy again. It goes up, I sell. It goes down, I buy. It goes up, I sell. That is the formula that I use when trading the stock market. So I will drop some links at the description area below. If you want to follow up with me and join my group, I'll just drop a link at the description area below, where you will come and check me out. So see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. Drop your comments below, and I will see you right in the next video. Cheers.